counseling?
Yes.
So I want to inform you that this conversation is confidential. Anything you say is important and no one would know about this unless I have your consent. The only exception for that is if there's harm or threat to your safety. Let me know your concern, okay?
So I've been facing a lot of problems such as family problems. Every day, my parents are always arguing because my mother caught my father cheating on me, and they're always fighting. My siblings are kept on hearing them and they might be affected by their fight.
Totoo ba yun?
Totoo ang alin?
Na nang bababae ka?
Nang mga babae, paano nang bababae?
Nakita kita eh.
Nakita mo saan?
Sa mall!
Para mo makikita sa mula sa trabaho ko.
Huwag ka na mag-akila kasi kita ako eh. Eh, sino to?
Hindi ako yang.
Maniwala! Huwag ka na mag-akila! Mark! Sagutin mo na lang, Mark! Ikaw ba yun nandun?
Oo, ako yun.
Ba't mo nagawa sa amin ng mga anak mo? Walang iya ka? Ha? Ba't mo nagawa sa amin yun?
Ma! Pa! Tama naman na yun oh. Maawa naman kayo sa mga kapatid ko.
Lumabas muna kayo doon!
Also, I've been physically damaged because in class, my classmates are always being mean to me because of my physical appearance. And I've been keeping this to myself lately. Because someone might judge me if I went out to someone.
That's tough. You're still young and yet you've been through a lot. You know, it's normal to experience those things, but the important thing is you never lose hope. Life is a long journey, and I know someday everything is going to be fine.
Girls, I can see you guys. Mama na ako. Well, girl, traffic na naman. Hi! Traffic ka na naman. Kaya wala kang mga bebe boys mo, ha? Ang pagbabago. Nakakainis talaga. Pagki pa nga sa kasi. Tara. Ayaw para mo sa mga lampaw. Kakainis talaga na rin.
Kainis nga si Anggi eh, iniwan tayo.
Yun na naman yung jowa.
Ay, babae ang dagdag na sa ko.
Lampa.
Kaya,
Kakainis.
takot.
Kaya girl, tapos na tayo dito. So, sila.
Dapat natin.
Uy, nandiyan pala kayo.
Wala akong pinigil.
Nakakainis kasi.
Bakit?
Gawaan din kasi. Ano, nilalag dito.
Bakit?
Ito. Kami na bahala to.
Thank you.
Ito ba?
Plastic.
I need to talk about something, but it's really hard to say.
That's okay, Krista. Take your time. I'm here to listen no matter what it is.
I was raped.
I'm so sorry that happened to you, Krista. Thank you for trusting me enough to share this.
I didn't know what to do. I've been so scared.
It's okay to feel scared, Krista. What happened to you was not your fault and you are not alone. We'll figure this out together. Okay?
Ang boring. Tara, laro tayo.
Anong gusto mong laruin?
Tagu-taguan.
Anong bata naman na sila naman magtatago?
Ikaw. Tara.
Mga ayop kayo. Wala kayong konsensya. Tawanan niyo ako.
Ba't ba kailangan pakita sa akin kung mawawala ka rin sa pag-isip? Hindi ko maiwasan na isipin ka. Tanong sa akin kung ako may naiisip mo. Lito, 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 lito. Sa'yo, 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 sa'yo. Sino pa naman ako para isipin mo? Hindi mo ba hinihintay ang mga tawag ko? Sa'yo, 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 sa'yo. Lito, lito,
Kung hindi ko siguro sinabi yung mga katagang yun, kung hindi siguro ako humingi ng tulong ay talagang hindi ko kakayanin. The school counselor who helped me when I was in senior high school, 5 years ago, inspired me to become one too. To become student counselor, supporting students to development and providing guidance. I hope more students will feel encouraged to seek help from the school counselor without hesitation. I hope hindi na sila matakot. Dahil school counseling itself made me realize na kaya ko pa pala.
Kung